So let's also a little bit understand on what's happening globally on the tariff policies and, the tariff concerns that are coming in. How is the industry really looking at that? If you could also help us understand a little bit on the exposure that you have on the US markets, and is there any significant concern on tariffs front for you also?
Okay, see, our exposure to US is small relative to the size of the organization, say under 5%. But
Okay.
however, it is a market where we have plans. In the past, we have shared our plans to launch truck and bus radial tires in the US, passenger car radial tires in the US. Both of them have happened. We also would like to grow our specialty business off-highway tires in the US. And one of the acquisitions that we are planning also has a reasonable exposure to the US. So US is an important from our standpoint, though our exposure to US is less. Broadly, just to help you and the viewers to understand, US tariff has broadly two categories of tariff that they have introduced. One is called as auto components. Okay, another one is called as non-auto components part of it. Okay, auto components part of it, US government introduced incremental duty of about 25%. Okay, for example, prior to the first week of May, I think around 5th of May or 7th of May, some tariff was, new duty was introduced on auto components. Prior to that, our tires that we were exporting to US used to attract close to 5%, 4.8% duty. Okay, now from first week of May onwards, auto components where our passenger car, truck and bus and radial tires, light truck tires attract now additional 25% duty effective May. Okay, and the other portion is like, for example, farm tires, some of the off-highway tires, etc., used to attract similar about 4.8 to 5% duty in the past. Now it attracts additional 10% of duty. So in all our discussions trade discussions that India currently, I believe, would cover the scope of the second portion. So for the second portion duty, which is our non-auto components, is based on reciprocal tariff. So if you are able to, strike a good deal, that reciprocal tariff, if it comes down, it will have an impact. We also hope the auto components also comes under reciprocal or a part of a trade deal that may bring down the duty rate, incremental duty rate from 25% to a lower level. That will really help. And so that's the way we see the impact of US tariff on.
Okay, below 20% you said, sir?
No, 25% is the incremental. Earlier it was about 4.8%. Currently,
Yeah.
all our tires of truck, passenger car, they attract close to about 30% today, effective first week of May.
Oh, okay.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.